Hey everyone, it's the Honest Review Hub, and we're about to unlock some serious iPad potential. Look, I love my iPad. It's my on-the-go workstation, entertainment hub, and everything in between. But I gotta admit, for the longest time, I was sleeping on some of its best features. Today, I'm calling out 5 iPad features that I guarantee will change how you use this thing. So, if you're ready to unlock your iPad's full potential, buckle up, and let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with a game changer, especially if you're rocking a Mac and an iPad combo. It's called Sidecar, and it lets you use your iPad as a second monitor for your Mac. Imagine this, you're working on a project on your Mac, but your screen real estate is feeling a little cramped. Whip out your iPad, connect it with Sidecar, and bam! You've got a whole extra screen to play with. Trust me, once you experience the magic of Sidecar, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next up, we're talking about a feature that will make you want to ditch that keyboard, at least some of the time. It's called Scribble, and it's Apple's handwriting recognition software built right into the iPad. Scribble is insanely accurate and intuitive. You can literally write by hand in any text field on your iPad, and it will convert it to digital text in real time. Taking notes in a meeting? Scribble. Replying to emails on the fly? Scribble. It's like magic, but with fewer rabbits and top hats. Okay, for this next feature, I want you to forget everything you thought you knew about using an iPad. Because we're talking about trackpad and mouse support, you can now use your iPad with the precision and control of a laptop. Adding trackpad and mouse support takes the iPad's versatility to a whole new level. Need to make pixel-perfect edits in a photo? Grab your mouse. Navigating a complex spreadsheet? Trackpad to the rescue. It's all about having options and finding the workflow that works best for you. Ever need to measure something quickly, but don't have a tape measure handy? Well, your iPad has you covered. With the Measure app, your iPad transforms into an augmented reality measuring tape. Just open the app, point your camera at the object you want to measure, and watch as the app overlays digital measurements in real time. It's surprisingly accurate and incredibly handy for everything from measuring furniture to figuring out if that new rug will fit in your living room. The Measure app can also detect rectangular objects automatically, saving you the hassle of manually aligning measurement points. It's like having a virtual toolbox in your pocket. Alright, let's wrap things up with a feature that's all about boosting your productivity and embracing the power of multitasking. It's called Split View, and it allows you to run 2 apps side by side on your iPad screen. Want to reference a research paper while writing an essay? Split View. Need to keep an eye on your calendar while responding to emails? Split View. You can also use Slide Over to quickly access a third app without closing either of your Split View apps. It's like having a mini app drawer that's always just a swipe away. And there you have it. 5 hidden iPad features that are guaranteed to level up your iPad game. Who knew this thing could do so much, right? I hope you found these tips helpful and maybe even discovered a new favorite feature or two. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more iPad tips, tricks, and tech goodness. And hey, if you have any hidden iPad features that you swear by, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.